Hello, I have some upcoming travel, and I got this, a luggage scale. Pick this up on Amazon. Here it is. It is a luggage scale. You push the button, and then the force, I assume, that is applied to it, that was too much, is how it determines the load. So, we'll test it out on some luggage. I think I got a lemon here, because I turned this thing on, I let it sit, I pick it up, I buckle it in, and nothing. Nothing. Piece of garbage. I'll be returning this. Yeah, this thing is so shonky. If I like rotate it different ways like this, that's not even doing it anymore. It just kind of freaks out and it goes up and down. Yeah, this thing is garbage. I'll be returning it absolutely 100%. This is trash. Don't buy it.